Multimedia refers to the combination of different content information such as text, audio, image, videos, and animation to create a research and more engaging experience.
And what is ICT?
ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It's a broad term that encompasses all the technologies used to create, store, process, and share information.
Hi guys, a day in my life as a grade 11 student here in Santa Fe National High School. Be with me to share you the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. First, let's talk about education. Multimedia and ICT has revolutionized learning. Interactive simulations, educational games, and online courses make learning engaging and accessible to everyone, regardless of location or learning style. Think about virtual field, trip to the Amazon rainforest, or interactive anatomy lessons. The possibilities are endless. Personalized learning experience caters to individual needs to boost knowledge retention, improving the communication. While social media platforms facilitate instant communication and information sharing, this interconnectedness fosters global understanding and collaboration, breaking down geographical barriers. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you have learned to get from our video the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. See you next time!